Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to simply delete your list in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. In case you're facing any issues while logging in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply scroll over right to the top. On the rightmost section, next to returns and orders, you can see something like accounts and list. Simply hover over it. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply click on the list of your choice. I'm gonna click on one right now. Now let's say I want to delete this list. Now here's what we can do about it. Well, I'm just gonna scroll right to the rightmost section, and here's something called as more. Once you hover over it, you can see something like manage list and print list. Well, we don't want to print it right now, so let's simply click on Manage List. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Well, from here you can change the list name, privacy and everything. But I'm just gonna scroll down, and at the very end, you can see something like Delete List. Click on the button right here, and finally give your confirmation. Click on Yes. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your list in your Amazon account. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.